I think enough guys will appreciate this. My video I walk from behind. Easy. I like your braid them. Especially with the what color this? Brown?
I did my hair myself. Yes.
Yeah, I like that.
I know it won't do no right now, but yes, guys. I've been doing my hair since grade 6. Why? Because we never liked the one what I can.
Lead the way. Morning people, hold on, too much zoom. Alright, good enough. What me not focus. Morning people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. Remember to click like as I reach, and if you're the first time, subscribe. This morning, no different from the other videos. Well, not too different. We are fasting this beautiful girl's life. Let's start with her name. Hello pretty. What's that? Come talk to you. Why are you in such a bad mood this morning? I get no good night's sleep.
No.
Alright. A man cuss you off last night? That man is stupid. Take it from me. And the man who cuss you off, stupid. So, I will start with your name. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Abigail Lewin.
And you're an actress. Oh, before we even do that, first time meet at which part? Over by the hotel.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like the first time I know you do, at the G-string competition thing. Someone talk about that. Talk about it. I'll tell you how we can help you win the thing.
I am not talking about the G-string competition.
Abby, you don't want to win something?
I am not talking about the G-string competition.
Alright, I can tell you at least how we can support them.
I am not talking about the competition on here.
Alright, let's talk movies then. How you and Richard Brown films get for link up?
Okay, so I first met Richie on a video shoot. I was a video vixen. He was the director for the video I was doing, so that's how I met Richie.
And just tell him say I want to go in the movies? Yeah, that one about how they get to start acting.
So, I was introduced to acting by Richie. One day I was just at home and he called and said, you know that I want you for a movie. So here I am.
And just ready and go.
Yes.
Alright, come forward with me. Walk. Let's walk. I don't know what name video VIEXN, you know, so I don't know, I probably can explain some of that to me.
So a video vixen is a female or a male that goes in a music video. So persons hire them to be in a music video.
Oh, so me have VIEXN too. Alright, tell me some of the things that you enjoy, things you like doing in your spare time.
I'm a person I really love nature. I'm also a crocheter. I run a crochet business by the name of Dynamic Rush. If you want to look it up on Instagram, all the eyes in the dynamic are Y, and it's dynamic_rush.
Okay, good. Continue.
I'm also very talented. I like to draw, I like to paint, anything that there is to do with my hands. Yes, that's me.
I feel like I want to see some of the crocheting thing. I used to do it. Put the thimble thing over my finger. You use that too?
No, I don't use it too.
You have to go show us some of your crochet.
Jesus, Father. Suppose you're not carrying on.
Alright, we now get to know miserable. I realize I get to sleep last night. But anyhow, so you like crocheting. What can I say you like?
I like nature.
You like nature.
I like to go to new places, especially in Jamaica, because what I realize is like we live in Jamaica, but we haven't really been in certain places in Jamaica. So I make it a priority to travel one new place every month. So That's how much I like to enjoy nature, and I enjoy traveling as well.
Expensive.
Never so expensive.
No, your lifestyle
It's
expensive.
not expensive.
So, we can ask if Miss Abigail is. I'm not snaring my fingers, you know, man.
You faster.
Yes, and I think I'm to ask that questions in. Looking at you right now, I don't want to know about the business still. Miss hurt inside the band them where I watch. I go, oh, who are that girl out there? Who have her? You know, have to answer. You can pass.
I will answer.
Alright, go right ahead.
Right now, I'm single, like a Pringle, and I'm not interested
No,
in dating.
no, nobody.
I'm not interested in dating right now.
Alright, why are you not interested in dating now? Since you're there, me not interested in that dating right now because I enjoy this so much. Me think women are gonna want so much attention from me. I'm not I can't able to give them. So yeah. What's your reason?
Well, I'm not gonna say being in a relationship is gonna distract me from what I'm doing, but also being in a relationship, it requires for me to give certain attention to whomever I'm talking to, and I don't think I'm capable of giving that
Me feel like
all
it
that.
what we have the same kind of problem. I like how we did it already. I wanna know what kind of guys you like. Do the physical description first and then we talk about the personality.
So when it comes to guy, I don't have a specific type. It doesn't really matter as long as you look good and as long as you carry yourself good. That yes, fine with me. But I deal with a big belly man too.
Ooh.
When it comes to personality, you just have to be a good person. And I'm not saying a good person only to me.
I can't look in our eyes when I talk to you. Yeah, can you have pretty eyes? Yeah.
I'm not saying being a good person to me, but I have to see how you treat other people. So as long as you're a good person and outgoing, striving for better, then we're good.
John no star. I hold you for a man a while ago just say, oh John, I need a girl that have a personality but don't have big belly. Ready. So, anything you want to promote something? Tell us something about it well, a lot of people don't know.
Let's see. I don't know.
By the way, feel better yet? You feel better since this morning to now? You have to feel better.
Yeah, I'm feeling into this all.
Good. So, now we have for
I just
breakfast
want
yet?
to shake it off.
What do you like for breakfast in the morning?
Some eggs and pancakes and bacon. That's what I want.
I can make you an egg sandwich. Or, you can just get one orange juice. You know, probably. Orange juice? It usually work. Me usually work.
The orange juice
Yeah,
work
cool
with
orange
you.
juice in the morning
Okay.
before you start eat anything. Isn't she lovely? So what else is there? You want to tell about family, sibling? What's your relationship with family like?
My relationship with family, it's good. Me and my sister, she lives overseas, but we're really close. And my little brother, I really love my little brother all the ways. Yeah, but
And then sometime,
yes, he does. But
Jaja.
it's my world. Also, my baby sister. Me and my parents, we're not really close, but we're working on it. So, yeah. That's family first, isn't it?
I will talk about that a little bit. My mommy and daddy not really close either, you know. But you know, if you go too deep in it, alright. I will not start this yet.
Okay.
You can start from high school before we go to the mommy and daddy thing.
Okay.
Alright, tell me about high school. Which high school are you starting?
I used to attend the Charlotte High School. That's in Linstead.
Linstead.
Yeah, big up my high school, big up on the staff, yeah.
So hold on, and I don't you see you come from then? Oh my God, hold on there.
No, I'm originally from Linstead.
Mr. Rastafari, alright. What is the experience like at Linstead? What am I? 7, 8, 9, 10 grade or them do it by form? First form, fifth form, sixth form, or that?
7 to 11, and then you have 6 form.
So what kind of girl were you at high school?
I'm gonna say I was a tomboy.
Hmm.
Yeah. For the
I believe that
the
people.
first 3 years, I was like get into the whole character of getting to know, because to be honest, in primary school I was really a quiet person, but in high school I was getting exposed to other people and all of that, so I had to get used to it. So it's like in 10th grade and 11th grade I was like, okay, whatever now. Yeah. So one of the most interesting thing about me, I think in high school, I was the only girl in my building technology class. Yes, and
See,
I felt really cool for that.
Jaja.
And if anybody, should go to everybody and ask it, like you will hear that I was the only girl in my building technology class.
So,
Yeah.
Abby,
Yes.
you used to give your parents problem at high school, come home late, gonna party, all of them something. No, because me feel like we have one similar kind of thing when it comes to parents. So I have to ask them questions, I have to figure out the personality. So, you used to give parents no problem at high school, don't you?
Yes. I used to give my parents a lot of problem.
Like when them have concert and them something.
Yes. It used to be like, I think I reach up by 4. I'm gonna come home after 4, 5 o'clock. Okay.
So about boyfriend in high school.
I never have no boyfriend.
Hold on, throughout the whole of high school you never have no man?
I joke.
I tell which one.
But you have a little boyfriend, yes?
You left him, don't you?
I don't know.
You don't know. Alright, we're gonna end the video and talk about that. That's something though. We're gonna end the video and talk about that something.
Why would I talk about that?
So, yeah, because if I him left him, I know say I regret it right now. And if I you left him, well, I will hear about that.
Oh boy. No, sir, your father said that was like years ago.
I'm like, you
But
smirk on your
anyways.
face though, so yeah.
I'm not gonna name or whatever.
You don't need to.
But it was a little thing. We were like close and then we fall out because, you know, being young and all of that.
You get
It's
tired
like
of
we
him.
never, it's not being tired of each other. We just never talk about things. Like, oh, you know, when you get mature up and all of that, and if some problem happen in a whatever relationship, in a little so-called relationship, we never talk about it.
Oh,
Yeah,
see.
Yeah,
So,
we just leave it there.
so if boss, if you
But
come back around,
we're
and
no
we're
friends.
not friends now?
Yes, we're no friends.
You don't think you want,
We're no
you don't
friends.
think you want more than a friend?
Don't answer no question.
Me think you want more than a friend. If me did that with you in high school and come back, no, me want more than a friend. Probably you want more than a friend too.
No,
But
darling.
no pressure. Someone you close the video. Tell the people to subscribe, go over your Instagram, all of the good things there.
Hey people, remember to like, subscribe and share with a friend. My Instagram is Abigail Lewin, that's Abigale Lewin. And remember to follow my business page, Dynamic Rush. Remember all the eyes are wise. So big up on yourself. We out.